Hello again. Hope you're very well and good day for today. Sunny day, shiny day. And I hope to give you today a very perfect short video. Speaking English, pronunciation for English. If you like to pronounce English, you have to learn sounds, English sounds. Not English letters, English sounds, I mean, not A, B, C, D, this is English letters, but English sounds like and I, O, U, and so on. So sounds. What are sounds? What I will give you now is only the first letter of English, but I will give you as a sound, not as a letter. Letter A. And by the way, some students saying A. Letter A. That's wrong. It's A. Yes. I'll give you all details about A as a sound, compound connection with other sounds. How can you say? How can you pronounce? Now, subscribe, share, and like. And don't worry, you are in a safe hand to pronounce and speak loudly for English. As a beginner, yes, as a beginner. Now let's go through the video. See you in seconds. Okay, let's go telling you what is A. I'm gonna talk to you about A as a letter and as a sound. So letter A, sound. So letter, we know. Letter A. So I will talk first about a letter A. So letter A, we have, as a letter, we have two forms of letter A. One is upper case. Some people say in capital A, but it's not good. Use this word, uppercase. Uppercase means capital. Okay. Another one is lowercase. Lowercase. So lowercase is A. Uppercase is A, capital. Uppercase A, lowercase a. So this is just to say a letter A. But what about sound? If it is a sound A, what can you say the sound? How can you say? What are the relations of other sounds with A sound? Let's see. Perfect. So I will start with you now saying the first. If you have a letter A in the middle, how? Okay, a letter A in the middle, yes. After the letter A, if you have consonant, and if you have before A another consonant. Wait, mister. What is a consonant? We know that A is a vowel sound and a vowel letter. But what is a consonant? Okay, a consonant means all the sound without a sound. All the letters without a sound when you pronounce. Okay, look at me now. When I say D as a letter D, put your fingers here and say d. There is a vibration here. So this is now a vowel sound. A voiced. So this is now a voiced. Voiced means a vibration happens here when you say d. Good. Yes. Okay. But when you say nothing here, stop vibration. I mean T. So we have consonants The consonants may be voiced, may be voiceless, as he. So, what's a consonant? Like t, like d, 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 d. Like voiceless. So d is a voiced because I have a vibration. So this is consonant. So what can I say to the sound, to the letter A? How can I pronounce letter A? If I have a consonant before and after, the sound is what? The sound is A. Look at this word. I have C, consonant. I have K, consonant. And I have the letter A. So consonant. A, consonant. So the sound is A. Cake, cake. A, cake. Oh, that's good. Cake. So the sound is A, cake. Okay, this is what now? So I have K, consonant, I have L, consonant, and I have a vowel A. So the sound is A. Lake. Not lake. No, that's wrong. Not cake. Lake. That's right. Okay, so if I have this one, so I have L, D, consonant, and a vowel A. So what is it? Lady, not lady, no, lady. A, lady, lake, cake, and so on. That's great. So this is number one. Good. What else? For the letter A? It is about the A if it is followed by a consonant and the E at the end. Again, letter A, then consonant T, B, D, whatever the consonant, then the letter E. The same again, it's A. Okay, as I said now, cake. A, cake. Okay, if I say this one, what is it? This one? Yes, wave. I have letter E at the end, I have letter A, and between them I have a consonant, v, a voiced. Okay. How can I say this word? I have A, and at the end I have E, and between them I have consonant sound, okay, a hissing sound. Okay, so what can I say? K, not K, case. That's correct. Good. Second point, what is it? If I have A, then a consonant, okay, then I have, if I have AI, then a consonant, whatever, a consonant N, a consonant P, a consonant B, a consonant D, whatever. So, and I have AI. What can I say here? What is it? The same, A. So, number 3 now. Like what? Like train. I have N after AI. A. Train. Good. What is this one? Nail. Case. So I have A. Again. So if I have AI, if I have A consonant E, and if I have just consonant then A, then consonant. So all of them now with the same sound. With the same sound. If I have AI, A. If I have A, then a consonant, then E, it's A, cake, lake. If I have AI, then a consonant, it's A, nail, train, Spain. Okay, if I have a consonant, then A, then a consonant, it's A, baby, baby, baby. Okay, lady, lady, crazy, crazy, crazy. So I have only E, A, but between R a consonant, a Z as a consonant. So crazy, crazy. So this rule. So crazy. Okay, you can say that. Also paper, paper, paper. So all of that will be with the same sound A, A, A. Good. What else now? Have we done with A? No. Let's go to the rest of A. Perfect. To the rest of A, we have A, Y. What can I say? The same sound? Yes. What can you say here? Day, day, day. So AI or AY with the same sound. A, day, day. Okay, for example, play. So A, play, play, say. Good. What else? If I have EI, okay, EI, you're talking about the letter A. What's E here? With the same sound, by the way, as AI, as AY. EI, yes. How that? If I say there, A, there. Okay, if I say vein, A. So with the same sound, So now we were talking about, we were